gamers, it's your boy 2.0 Blast Off here. I'm back with Nerf guns. This is going to be kind of a mini series if you want to see all my Nerf guns. But this video is going to have one extra gun, which is going to be the X series, which I found in one of my drawers. We're back with the Nerf gun. This is going to be a mini series, but also I'm bringing out something new you might not know. Let's see, I will give myself 10 shots with each of these guns to see which one of these guns is the best. So we have the X Shot free, we have the Nerf Bow Strike, the Micro Shot, Fortnite Micro Shot, and the Elite Trade X free. Let's go ahead and get some ammunition. First of all, I need to get what I'm going to use for it. I'm also going to get what I need to use for it. Don't need much bullets. Just need 10 in total. Where's sugar boots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bullets. 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8 still, 9, 10. We have the 10 bullets. For all these. Now let's get out this thing. This is basically this right here is a thing where you have to shoot it. Okay, let's activate it on.
Welcome to the shooting amusement park. Please choose solo player mode or multiplayer mode.
I don't want multiplayer mode.
The solo player mode is on. Please get ready now.
Okay, let's start with the Elite. Okay. Oh, come on. Two misses the first round. 1, 2, and 1 shot win. So that's 3 down. Let's see, we still have 10 more. They still have a couple 3 down. They still have a couple more shots left. Okay, let's go for second try attempt. How many can he knock down? 1. Already going good. Miss. Miss. So once again, 1 round hit. It seems like it's better when it comes. It seems like it's better the first shot. Okay, let's begin. This is not looking good for the Elite already. Hopefully the Elite doesn't get all 3 here. The other ones have to be really bad. 2, miss, final shot. 2, nice. He has 1 more shot. Can the Elite get 5? Let's see. 5 indeed. So that's a total of 5 points for the Elite in round 1. Round 1, the Elite right now is safe. Okay. So that's 5 points for the Elite. Okay, let's go to the next one, the Fortnite Micro Shot. So this is going to have to be put in one at a time. Let's begin. First shot. Dang, look at that power. One shot, first shot, good. Second shot, good. Dang, this one's starting off for 2 points already. Oop, miss, first miss. Right now it's shotting 3 of them out. The first 3 are done. Next 3 are coming up. With already 2 points in the bag. Miss again, dang. Oh, it was doing good. Second now it's kind of... Oh, nice, it's making a comeback with 3 points now. All it needs to do is beat 5. Miss, looks like it's only at 3. Yeah. Ooh, dang, it only has 3 more. Nice, let's see. Right now, it's doing good. It has 1 more shot. It has 2 more shots. If it can keep its roll with these 2 shots, it will be in the lead. 1 shot. This is either going to be terminated if it's in... Oh, it's tied. Okay. Which one do you think missed the most? This one definitely, I think, missed the most. It was kind of hard to aim with. I'll go with the Fortnite micro shot. Is in the lead by 1 point. So we still have the... So right now in the elimination place is the Elite with the Nerf Fortnite coming in next. Okay, it looks like now we're going on to the X shot. Put the bullets in there, starting it off. The Elite still gets 10 this X series number. That's an automatic disqualification. Okay, looks like the X series is fully out. So unless this one misses all of it, and if this one gets 6 shots, it will be tied with the micro shot. Okay, let's go ahead and get 1 more bullet. No, the crossbow is one of my favorites, so I really hope it can pull this one through and get the dub safe. Okay, let's begin. Put the bullet in there. Okay, let's pull this back. Aim. Boom. 2 in a row. Starting off like the 3 in a row. That's 3 points. Dang, as long as it gets... Dang, this one's good. It's already at 4 points. If it can get to 6 points, it will be in the lead. Dang, 6, 7. Dang, it's really catching up. That's 5 points. If it can make... Okay, I'll count it since I hit it. Okay, if it gets to 7, it's in the lead. Nice, it's at 7 points. So that means the Elite is out of the game. That means the winner of this game is the bow strike. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye, gamers. Bye. Also, which ones... I'm probably going to do the next ones I'm probably going to do is the... probably the sidearms. Bye.